Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have another video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and upload your resume there in your LinkedIn app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will start our video. For that matter, first of all, let's go ahead open our LinkedIn app. Once our app is open, it's basically gonna look like this in the home page, right? So what we're gonna do is, for that matter, to upload, go ahead, tap on this jobs option given below right corner. If you tap on that option, it's basically gonna look like this, where you can see all of the recommendations regarding the jobs. Then what you can do is simply go ahead, tap on this three dot given on top right corner beside this message icon. Go ahead, tap on it. Go ahead, tap on this application settings given below. Once you tap on it, you will find this kind of interface. You can see job application settings, including share your resume data with recruiters. And you can see this upload resume option. If you tap on that upload resume option, these are the recent files that have been in my phone. If you would like to go, so what you're going to do is now simply go ahead, find your documents where you have kept your resume, and you can simply go ahead, tap on that particular, let's say if this is the one. If I tap on it, it's uploading. You can see that particular CV of mine is uploaded right there. Even if you want to remove, tap on the three dot, you will be able to delete as well. This is how you can simply go ahead, add a resume right there in LinkedIn to make your profile more stronger and attractive. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.